Pidon kam nong shondor ne nong ringdor hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi phun shengi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei Menang kampen suk yeki pajba ki balet ki bawan hanong ba Delhi badru ban beteng ka jingidei ke bajan hapdeng ki nong Delhi bat ki nong Meghalaya Menteri Ramba ke Sorkar Jela Ukonrat Kongkal Sangma Mentagasngi Haga Jingidan Lang Jongki Menteri Sorkar ke Sorkar Jela Meghalaya Ulabu Yo Monong Rim Nak Benta Bentai ke Meghalayahouse ke Thymmai Haga Teke Jela Yakni ke Meghalayahouse ha New Delhi Ontai ha Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Road New Delhi ke Badai ke Jaka ke Badon ke Meghalayahouse ke Barim ke Balasina Nadu Usniam Shejar Kendai Spa Nyopowe ke Bagi Jinghe Jong Teke Jaka ke Long Iwe Point Kendai Akar Nalor Menteri Rangba hagane ke jingilang bu yang mau nong rem la sakilang daw sumbut Menteri Rangba uba prestun tensong baru Menteri Bopet ye ketenat General Administration Department uba sustenance sotun. Kini ke ying ha New Delhi kan kentup ya ki arp south ligi kamera ki ban long ki jakasa ke ban kentup de ye ke jaka penlong jingilang ha ke balapan mang hadu arp klur pantai ya ke Meghalayahouse ha New Delhi. Ha bekeran ha ke jingilang Menteri Rangba aulaong bagi jing temu ke mahakmat jong jing bu ya ke Meghalayahouse ha Delhi kendai nak benta ban ai jing sekri nengkong yagi pai ba ke Jela Meghalaya ula ongru bagane ke ying ke balabu yagi kamera kanirap yagi pai ba ke Jela Meghalaya ki ban lecture New Delhi nak benta ki kam office ki interview ki exam ke jing let ban wat jing sumar bat ki we ki jing don kam ula betha yagi officer bakin pentikna baye ke ying Thymmai ke ba on sina dei ban sina dakar kom ke bahatam Dagwa penmangru bagi jingtai bat ki jingdon kam kin longkat kum ke juk Thymmai. Ulapun bauru baga Meghalayahouse kadi ban long ke kerpang bat ban peni ye ke culture bat dustur jongi pajba ke Jela Meghalaya.
So this is our khubor. We are standing here. Two blocks. It's a D2 block and it's a D3 block.
We dismantled all of them. Even that one.
But having said that, I do take this opportunity because all the Meghalayahouse staff people are here, that at the end of the day, infrastructure is only infrastructure. What makes this a Meghalayahouse and what makes this a public space is ultimately the kind of service that we give to the people out here. So I cannot but reiterate and mention to all of you that whenever anybody who comes from our state, it is very important for each and every one of you to ensure that they feel at home. And that the new building cannot do. That a new car cannot do. That is only the human touch that you guys can give. So I do appeal to all of you that I hope that you will be reminded about this every time you see a person coming from our state to stay out here. And you can put yourself in their place and just imagine that a smile for a person who has never been to Delhi, because you're always in Delhi so you feel it's normal. But suddenly somebody comes from the village and is lost, but suddenly sees his or her own person smiling and saying, "Welcome to Meghalayahouse, Delhi. I hope your journey was good. I hope you're okay. Don't worry, we are here to take care of you." Will make a world of difference to their mind. Even if the rooms are bad, they will feel at home because of the kindness that you have shown. So I do appeal to all of you that at the end of the day, every day when you get up in the morning, remind yourself why you are here, what you are doing here.
Sometimes what happened was, few of them has to go and stay somewhere in the hotel. Some of them has to stay in Rasan Bihar, and some of them sometimes has to stay here in Haranset Road. And doing that, I could see that a lot of dislocation takes place because they don't get time, they don't get a proper place to sit down and prepare a subject before they attend the meeting in different ministries. So therefore, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we discussed and ultimately we decided that we need reconstruction and also construction of a new building altogether here in Abdul Kalam Road. And the foundation that we are going to lay this morning is about the first phase of the construction. We have two phases. First phase is about 30 something rooms, right? See? About
24 This 24 rooms.
or 24 rooms. In the first phase, we will be able to get 24 rooms, and maybe in the second phase, we will get more rooms. And I could see once this is completed, I'm very sure the service delivery mechanism will again be further improved as far as official issues are concerned. And as mentioned by our Chief Secretary, I think that state guest house as we have today is one of the best state guest house in India. Let me tell you one thing. Recently, one senior IAS officer from Delhi, when he landed in Shillong, he stayed there in our state guest house, and he called me personally and he said, "Sir, the state guest house of yours is the best in India." So, sir, that's what I'm saying. I think we have done a tremendous job. And this is done not because of Karnat, or not because of Preston, or not because of Sotun, but it is the pride of our people in the state of Meghalaya. So,
needs of the people of our state. The foundation of this annex building, it marks an important milestone for the JAD department. This new facility will not only strengthen the administrative capacity, but also provide a better working environment for our officers and staff, enabling them to deliver services more efficiently and effectively to the people of Meghalaya. As we move forward, I assure everyone that the JAD department will continue to work tirelessly for the betterment of the people of Meghalaya under the guidance and support of our Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister.
Of having one of the best houses for Meghalaya here, and with better connectivity, better facility, better infrastructure, it would help our people to be served better in the national capital. You all know that really the houses in Delhi really serve as a connect and a fulcrum of development, aspiration, employment of avenues, and business relationship for the state with the capital. So I earnestly request each one of you on the team under the able leadership of Sampath that we should facilitate it, complete it at the earliest, and also better link that with for the business, employment, entrepreneurship, everything for our state. Under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, state has really done a quantum jump or a paradigm shift in infrastructure for the last 8 years. I mean, to narrate few, the capital expenditure has really jumped from 1475 crore in 2018 to 5,529. It's huge, 4.4 times highest in any history of our state. Roads and bridges from 483 has jumped to 1,073, more than double. Power sector has gone from 1345 to 2,596, again more than double. The PHE sector has gone from 93 crores to 883, reflects more than 7 times multiplication. The rural road, which was way back in 2018, 1,695, has crossed 4,400 kilometers in a span of 7 years, which is more than 3 times. So this has really showed the kind of the interest, the initiative and importance given to infrastructure in the state.